Your favorite princess is back, she's walking up on the scene. She hit the stuck on the move, but that's no reason to fret. She's not a nightmare no more, so buckle down and get set. She's totally raising the subject, she ain't leaving no choice. She's gonna blow you all back with her equestrian voice. So cover all of your fears and stow away all your pride. The Luna princess is back to bring the nightmares tonight.
Spell you won't have long to prepare.
Now get your goodies, fill up all your bags, and go and leave a candy up for it for that big ol' hand. And way above that she's not coming back to come and take away your soul and eat you up for a snack. So run away and go hide, just keep your head out of sight. The darkness is rising again, cause this is not their night.
Spell you won't have long to prepare.